Xbox. Jumping on the pool ball table? Jumping on the pool ball table, yes.
Except for dancing on the table, which you guys did last night.
Dancing on the table?
Upstairs.
Ryan was too.
Everybody have their stuff?
Yes. Why are you videotaping us?
Am I videotaping you?
Yes.
I don't know.
Tell us why. Who's that guy down there? Yeah, Nemo. What? Wow.
You guys don't look very excited.
I'm surprised.
I'm surprised.
The limo is for you guys. We're gonna go see Mom with the limo.
So weird!
Oh, yay!
How did you get this?
Mr. Juana and Dr. Bill is going to take us. Alright.
Whoa. Nice. Wow.
Okay, let me take you guys a picture outside the limo real quick, then Dad will get his stuff.
Are you coming with us?
Yeah, remember what we told you yesterday. Stand next to the car. Now we're gonna send you guys off in a limo by yourself. Say cheese. Okay, hold on a second now.